It's time for another CNikky quick travel tip. I'm about to tell you how to get paid at the airport when a flight is overbooked. Now pay attention, because I'm about to hook you up. If you find out your flight is overbooked and they're looking for volunteers to take a later flight, do it if you can. Here's why. If taking a later flight delays you more than an hour, you can get up to $775 in flight vouchers. If it delays you more than 2 hours, you can get up to a $1,500 flight voucher. Now, this works both domestically and internationally, and if an airline is desperate, they up the money on those vouchers. This month, Delta Airlines gave people $10,000 per person for anyone willing to give up their seat. And check this out. Delta Airlines is one of the only airlines where you can convert their Delta Choice gift card that they give you to a Visa gift card. So that means cash money. Now that you know you can get paid, let me let you in on a little secret. When you decide to volunteer to give up your seat, you can politely ask that you receive the same compensation as the final volunteer. You don't want to volunteer at $400 only for the final person that volunteers to receive $1,000. You can get the same. And don't be afraid to ask for perks like meal vouchers, hotel vouchers, and lounge access. And when they're rebooking you on a new flight, don't be afraid to ask for a first class seat. I hope I helped you out. If this tip was helpful, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel at CNikky. And remember, if you want to know what's good in travel, you gotta see Nikki.